Bitcoin just snapped back above $108,000 after Donald Trump announced ceasefire between Israel and Iran. But that's not the only shockwave hitting the market. As risk-on sentiment floods back into crypto, meme coins like Doge, SHIB, and Pepe are exploding, with derivatives data flashing the most bullish signals we've seen in weeks. And it gets crazier. Crypto hedge funds are buying Pepe as Cumberland just dropped $3.45 million into Pepe, triggering rumors of a 112% rally incoming. Is this coordinated whale activity your early warning signal? In this video, I'll break down the global events rocking the market, the behind-the-scenes moves by smart money, and why Pepe might be one of the biggest winners in this sudden recovery cycle. So if you have any interest in Pepe or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news, and how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I am going to be telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price-boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 25th of June, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 1,007 units. With 4 zeros, Pepe's price is up 1% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $669 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $4.2 billion, ranking it as the 37th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Bitcoin reclaims $105,000 after Trump announces Israel-Iran ceasefire. Bitcoin experienced a price surge following news of a ceasefire between Israel and Iran. The largest cryptocurrency by market cap almost touched the $106,000 threshold. Throughout the past week, Bitcoin has suffered through the geopolitical events that have broken through between Israel, Iran, and the United States. Within the past few days, BTC fell into a slump following news of the US bombing 3 of Iran's nuclear bases. On June 22, BTC experienced a sharp decline, dropping well beyond its previous peak of $106,003 just 2 days prior. On June 23, Bitcoin reached its lowest point since May, dropping to $98,974. BTC has gone down 1.2% in the past week and 3.6% in the past 2 weeks. The past month has seen the cryptocurrency fall by nearly 2%. Not only that, Bitcoin's market cap also enjoyed a 3.24% boost, climbing up to $2.09 trillion following the recent price surge. Additionally, BTC's trading volume also saw a 6.9% increase compared to the previous day, amounting to $52.8 billion based on current market prices. Even the wider crypto market cap has experienced a 2.1% surge after news of the ceasefire broke, amounting to $3.36 trillion. A ceasefire signal between Israel and Iran may have eased investor concerns for now. Crypto markets often recover quickly when geopolitical fears recede. However, traders still have their eyes on the continuing conflict between Israel and Iran. Despite the agreed-upon deal between the two countries, brokered by Donald Trump and Qatar, Israel's defense minister, Israel Katz, accused Iran of violating the ceasefire only 2 hours after the deal was announced. According to the BBC, despite Iran furiously denying the accusation, Israel plans to respond forcefully to Iran's violation of the ceasefire with intense strikes, targeting the nation's capital in Iran. It remains to be seen whether Israel will follow through with the threat and how it will affect Bitcoin and the wider crypto market. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Memecoin's Doge, SHIB, and Pepe recover as Iran-Israel ceasefire holds. Memecoin's Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe are extending their gains on Tuesday after a sharp recovery the previous day. The announcement of a ceasefire between Iran and Israel on Monday fueled this recovery. Derivatives data also shows the funding rates of Doge, SHIB, and Pepe turn positive as bullish bets rise. Risk-on sentiment fuels Memecoin recovery. Donald Trump announced late on Monday that a complete and total ceasefire between Israel and Iran, pausing the ongoing 12-day war. The announcement led to a sharp recovery in crypto markets, with top meme coins such as Doge, SHIB, and Pepe rising by more than 8%, 9%, and 11% respectively that day. On Tuesday, these meme coins continued to extend their gains. Doge, SHIB, and Pepe derivatives data show bullish bias. CoinGlass's OI-weighted funding rate data for Doge, SHIB, and Pepe shows that the number of traders betting that the price of these meme coins will slide further is lower than of those anticipating a price increase. Generally, a positive rate meaning longs pay shorts indicates bullish sentiment, while negative numbers shorts pay longs indicate bearishness. The metric for these top meme coins by market capitalization flipped to a positive rate on Tuesday, reading 0.0003% for Doge, 0.0076% for SHIB, and 0.0044% for Pepe, suggesting a bullish outlook for the three meme coins. According to CoinGlass's data, the long-to-short ratio of SHIB and Pepe meme coins stands at 1.18 and 1.08 respectively on Tuesday, marking the highest levels in over 1 month. However, for Doge, the metric stands at 1.01, rising steadily since Saturday but still well below the high seen on June 5. Generally, a ratio above 1 reflects bullish sentiment in the markets as more traders are betting on the meme coin's price to rise. Pepe, $3.45 million whale buy could trigger a 112% rally. The massive accumulation of Pepe by crypto hedge fund Cumberland could be a precursor for a 112% move. Cumberland accumulated a whopping 386.45 billion Pepe tokens, worth $3.45 million from Bybit, OKX, and Coinsquare. The most notable transfers were 247.83 billion Pepe, worth $2.22 million from OKX, and 138.6 billion Pepe, worth $1.24 million from Bybit, as per the Data Nerd. These inflows followed a previous outflow of 88.53 billion Pepe from the same wallet, suggesting a possible strategic rebalance or OTC accumulation. While smaller outbound transfers were made to FalconX and other addresses, liquidity was being redistributed rather than exiting, easing concerns about immediate sell pressure. This synchronized accumulation amid a broader market downtrend could signal a bullish entry by smart money positioning for a future rebound. Why tracking big investors matters. Tracking large funds and whales offers a window into market intent. These players often act on insider connections, quantitative signals, and macro strategies not visible to retail traders. Their moves aren't noise. They're often leading indicators of future price action. When capital flows in at size, especially in weakness, it's rarely accidental. Cumberland's $3.45 million bet might just be the early footsteps of a major shift in momentum. Ignoring these moves means missing out on where the real conviction lies. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1000x potential altcoins.